I think he's a home-style waffles.
You're a home style waffle.
I'm your home-style maid.
Only maid I have is my wifey's.
Oh my fucking god.
Not only they clean the house, they clean me in too.
Oh my god. Oh shit, my bad.
What can you do about it?
I can't do none.
Exactly.
I just gotta live
Me,
my life.
just me and my wifey's.
Yeah, fuck you and your wifey's too.
Yeah, we will
Oh,
do
oh,
that.
oh. Oh, oh shit, my bad. I didn't mean to cry. I accidentally broke character again. I meant to say, kapow, kapow. Hey, your abs. What does your gun sound like?
It sounds like bang bang.
Shit.
Exactly the same sound that comes when we are in bed. Me and my wifey's.
I thought it was clap clap.
Oh yeah, for sure. Clap clap and bang bang.
Oh god.
On each other
no.
and on top of each other.
Shit, my bad.
On the floor in the kitchen.
Okay, I think that's enough. Right? That's too much. You know, my gun sound like.
What's that noise? What is that noise? No, your gun sound like whining noises.
The fuck you mean?
Because you be whining as I bang my women.
Oh my fucking god. Buddy. My gun sound like.
I know it does. I know it does.
That's what it sounds like when I hear y'all banging each other. I don't know what it says, but when it's over or an omen, that shit go wow, like this. Oh, fuck,
I'm hot.
When my revolver's with clothes, it says 2 things. It says 2 words. And those 2 words are no peeking. When it sees a Filipino, it says 2 fucking words with 3 syllables. Putangin on oh fuck, that's 4. Never mind.
What did you even
That's 4
say?
syllables.
Bro, what did you even say?
That means fuck your mom.
I'm out of here.
When you play, oh fuck. When you play as Jed, does it say kimchi kimchi?
Is that racist? What does that mean?
Kimchi's a food that a lot of Koreans eat. Or does it go like BTS, BTS, every 3 shots, BTS?
I don't know if I should keep that in or not.
Oh my god, you see this ghost right here? You see this spectral ghost? There's one comet ghost skin. This shit goes 2.
Hey, Clove got cooties. You trying to get near me?
That's not what I said. That is no, I don't have cooties. I ain't got no cooties. The fuck?
Don't let him touch you. He got them cooties.
Hey yo, Rage, come here. Let me touch you. Yeah.
Spreading those cooties. Yeah, I got 15.
Did anyone bring a snack?
15 what? 15 wives?
Yeah.
Such cap. Oh my fucking god.
I
what
got
you doing?
15 wifeys.
Let me guess. 15 some
They take turn every 1 hour.
on you?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck man.
In
Fuck,
my
man.
bed.
I mean, yeah, that's cool. That's cool. That's fine as hell. That's all good.
Help me, 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 help me.
Humpy, what?
No, I said help me.
Stay down.
Nice try, buddies. You did good.
One enemy
One
remaining.
down.
Fortnite.
Bro, where you at? Where are you at?
Last player standing.
Oh, shit.
30
That
seconds
scared the
left.
fuck out of me.
Ah.
This is all your fault, buddy.
Defenders win.
CJ, this is all your fault. For saying that happened.
You're racist.
What the fuck? What'd I do?
I need to go pee.
Yeah, that's right. Go pee. Fucking pee.
Never mind, I'm not going pee. I'm gonna pee on my suit.